In this tutorial, I'm going to show you within Edline how to add a picture, a video clip from your computer, and even how to embed a YouTube video all within your class in Edline. So to get started, we always go to edit a page. We mouse over contents and go to the plus symbol. In this case, let's just say we're gonna do a discussion question. And we're going to call this test discussion 2. And you can put a date of visibility when students can see it and when it's removed. I tend to leave it all up there for as long as possible. The real important part here when adding any kind of media to a blog or a discussion question is here in the add content section. This is normally where you would type out your discussion question or your blog post or something like that. But say you have a picture you're going to want to upload. And say we're going to ask the kids, what is this? And then I'm going to navigate to some of these buttons here. The one we're going to look for an image is this little icon of a tree. And when you mouse over it, it says Insert or Edit Image. You click it, and it's going to bring up this box. And then you're going to select your media, and then hit this file with the plus symbol. Now this is going to open up your computer where you can navigate to where you save the picture, whether it's your desktop or pictures or documents or whatever. Select the image, in this case one of the Panama Canal, and then we're going to click Open. Now in a second it'll pull up the file. As always, the larger the file or video, the longer it takes, and then click Upload. And there is your picture right there. Then you can click Insert, and there's your picture with your question. You can obviously do multiple postings. You can add classes, which is fantastic, so you only have to do this one time. If you teach, say, you have 5 different Edline classes of the same thing, instead of doing this 5 times, you only have to do it once, which is wonderful. Comment type, again, we do not want to require approval. That will give you an email every time someone posts to it, which will fill your inbox in no time. So you want to uncheck that. You do not want to allow anonymous comments. You obviously want to know who is signed in and who is making comments. If you allow anonymous comments, that is a recipe for disaster. When you are done, you click Save and Return. And we go to Test Discussion 2. And there is our picture and our question. And you, of course, students can leave a comment in this discussion question. They can also reply to other student comments. And that is how you place a picture inside of Edline. Now, say you want to, instead of a picture, I'm going to click on it and hit delete. I want to upload a video, a short video that I have on my computer. Instead of going to the Insert and Edit Image button, you're going to scroll over to this film strip icon and click Insert or Edit Embedded Media. Now you're going to go to Select Media. You're going to navigate, hit the folder with the plus sign on it. And then I'm going to navigate on my computer to where I found my video, where I put my video. In this case, it's a small test video I made just for this. It's only 17 seconds long. Again, the longer the video, the longer it takes to upload it. Once you've selected it, click Open. And in a second, the file will appear here. Again, it always takes a few seconds. And then click Upload. And once you're done, you're going to click Insert. And again, you can do multiple postings, comment types, and then save and return. Now, you may have to refresh the page, but there is the video. So sometimes it does take a few minutes to convert it, and there we go. And it's got sound right here.
Video I'm making to show you how easy it is to upload a video.
And again, students can make comments, reply to comments in the discussion question. And that is how you upload a video to Edline. Now, Say you have a YouTube video. Again, I'm going to click on this and hit delete. And say I've navigated and I found this wonderful YouTube video of my son eating his very first Twinkie. I know it's a bad parenting moment, but I could only hold on for so long. So his very first and probably last Twinkie, since there really are no more Twinkies anymore. I found the video. Underneath all your YouTube videos is a share button. And then once you click share, you're going to find the word embed and click on it. Now here you're going to have the code that you want to copy and paste. Notice down here the video size. You can go from small to large. I recommend 480 by 360 is plenty. I don't like to check any of these boxes, particularly the show suggested videos, because when this video is done playing, for example, it will then pop up 12 other icons and videos, some of which may be inappropriate, that might be related to my son eating his first Twinkie. So you copy the embed code, go back to your discussion question in Edline, but instead of going to insert or edit image, instead of going to insert or edit embedded media, you're going to come over here to where it says HTML, and you're going to click on it. Now you notice there's already some stuff in here, and you can just hit enter, go to the last line, hit enter, and then paste that code into the HTML source editor and click update. And there's the video. There's my question I wrote. There's my son's video. Now, a warning, not all videos on YouTube will allow you to embed them. Some are a little finicky than others. It's a little bit of trial and error. Of course, you can do multiple postings per class, which is wonderful. You only have to do this once on Edline, and then you can share it with multiple classes. So if you're teaching, 2 to 3 or 4 or 5 of the same class, you can always add it to those classes, which is great. Visibility and comment type, obviously we've gone over that already. Save and return. And again, you may have to refresh the page. And then there's the video. And you can listen to it.
First Twinkie ever.
And there's your video. And again, kids can look at this and make comments to the video. And of course, reply to others who have made comments, which is a great homework assignment. I use it all the time. And instead of the typical section review questions at the end of a chapter in your book, which are terribly boring at times for students. This is a much more engaging way to get kids involved in a conversation. And that is how you upload a picture, a video, and embed a YouTube video in Edline.